My name is James Sitchin. I'm the VP of Chemistry here at Charnwood Molecular. Charnwood Molecular is an integrated drug discovery CRO. We enhance the experience and the success of our clients' drug discovery projects through the application of our expertise across the different stages in that drug discovery journey.
I'm Andrew Jordan, and I'm the Group Leader in Process Research and Development at Charnwood Molecular. The challenges that we face in our synthetic methods are the development of safe, scalable, reliable processes. The AVA software allows us to control both our Reactor-Ready pilot and our Lara vessels. This means that we can transfer a process from a 1 litre Lara reactor directly to a 10 litre pilot-ready vessel with minimum changes.
My name is Paul Shaw. I'm a Senior Research Chemist too here at Charnwood Molecular. I lead projects anywhere from route scouting, route development, all the way up to scale-up and manufacturing. In the lab, we have two 20-litre fixed vessels and a double-jacketed 10-litre. We also use a Lara as well. These are all operated by the AVA software. It also controls the hubas and the stirrers. With AVA, we don't have to go into the fume cupboard so much, so I find it's a much safer way of doing chemistry. Beforehand, we would have to be sort of tinkering inside the fume cupboard, but instead everything can be done on the software, and it just makes things a lot safer.
My name's Nick Griffiths-Haynes. I'm a principal chemist here at Charnwood Molecular working in the PR&D department. Before we purchased AVA, using the Huber units and having to control the temperatures manually and get the fine control that we were after was not always that straightforward.
Before I start my work, I can build an entire process and then run it whenever I want, but it also has the flexibility that I can stop it and then use it manually, like on the fly, so I can turn on the stirring, turn off the stirring, or just heat and cool whenever I like.
We can program experiments outside of the lab and then bring it in, and we don't have to go into the fume cupboards to mess about with the manual controls, which is fantastic. It's very good as well for being able to transfer the pre-programmed experiment profiles from one machine to another, so that we can have that consistency from one reactor to another.
What I quite like is looking at the heating and cooling rate, which should give me sort of a rough estimate on exotherms and endotherms, which allows me to sort of compare what I've been doing on the small scale to the larger scale, so from like round bottle flasks right the way up to the jacketed vessel which might have a different shape of stirrer and just different way of heating and cooling.
I think AVA's really exceeded our expectations in just the ease of use as much as anything else. It's very intuitive to use and to be able to program and change parameters on the hoof as we're going through a process. It's absolutely superb.
Charnwood Molecular are looking for equipment that's upgradable, easy to use and affordable, and upon which staff can be readily trained. So something that's really important for us is the quality of the long-term relationship. And this is something that we've really enjoyed with Radleys over the past 10+ years. Radleys have been very approachable, and we've been able to consult with them about our equipment's purchases, upgrades and repairs, and even been able to organise equipment loans.
If someone was considering purchasing AVA, I'd say that it's a great piece of software, very easy to use, and it works very, very well with the fixed vessels and just makes things a lot safer to use.
Yes, definitely. It's a fantastic piece of software that enables us to control all of our reactors in the way that we'd like to do so.